England isn't exactly known for their warm, sunny weather, which is why the country has a handful of indoor water parks. One of them is Sandcastle in Blackpool. This park has a nice atmosphere and a small but well-rounded slide lineup. In this video, I will rank this park's top 5 water slides. Number 5. Montazuma. This is a fast-paced mat slide. This is not a racer like most. Instead, it is a single course. There are no major drops, but the riding position allows you to feel all the speed, and there are a series of quick and semi-forceful turns. Number 4. Dueling Dragons. These are short but odd speed slides. They consist of an ultra-tight downward spiral. It is arguably too tight because your body is slammed around the entry. It doesn't hurt, it's just awkward. After that, you build up some serious speed. The final turn pulls good G's, and I'm super disoriented when I hit the splashdown pool. Number 3. Aztec Falls. This is an enclosed tube bowl slide. There are some gentle turns at the start that build up suspense. Then, you have a long drop with nice speed, followed by the bowl section. This part is not wild, but it's visually cool between the oversized bowl and some additional lighting effects. Number 2. Master Blaster. This is a long water coaster circling the entire park. The water jets are used to rebuild your potential energy to extend the ride duration. This one does not have many drops, but there's a great one at the end with nice floater air time. A majority of the course consists of gentle twists and turns, but since you ride in solo tubes, the water jets have a tendency to spin you around, making the course much more unpredictable. And coming in at number 1 is Sidewinder. This is a half-pipe slide. The initial drop is super steep, so it offers a little airtime and great zip. Making this even better is that the employees spin you on the release, so you often experience this drop sideways or backwards. Experiencing any notable drop like that is always a treat. Then you rock back and forth in the half-pipe, bleeding off your speed. This part is not too crazy. You really ride this for the first drop, which is excellent. Those are the top 5 water slides at Sandcastle Indoor Water Park. What are your thoughts on this park's slide lineup? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this countdown, I would appreciate it if you gave this video a like, and you consider subscribing, because there'll be a lot more roller coaster and amusement park videos here at Canopy Coaster. Thanks for watching.